1X Technologies just launched NEO, a humanoid robot you can buy right now for $20,000, and this thing is either the future of domestic labor or the most expensive privacy nightmare you'll ever invite into your home. Here's what makes this launch different from the usual robotics hype. NEO isn't a prototype or a concept. You can literally order it today. 5'6", weighs 66 pounds, and wrapped in what looks like a textile bodysuit. Think of it as the IKEA version of a humanoid robot, except this one assembles your furniture instead of the other way around. The specs are genuinely impressive. This machine can lift 154 pounds and carry 55 pounds while walking around your house. Its hands have 19 degrees of freedom, which means it can actually manipulate objects with surprising precision. Folding laundry, loading dishwashers, organizing shelves, tasks that seemed impossibly complex for robots just a few years ago. But here's where it gets interesting. NEO runs on NVIDIA's Jetson Thor platform, the same computing architecture powering robots. At Boston Dynamics, Figure AI, and Amazon Robotics, this isn't some garage startup cobbling together servos and Raspberry Pis. We're talking about a 2560 CUDA-core GPU specifically designed for real-time AI processing at the edge. The robot sees through multiple cameras, processes sensor data in milliseconds, and runs foundation models that control movement with surprising fluidity. It's essentially a walking, talking AI assistant that happens to have arms and legs. Now for the uncomfortable bits. NEO is cloud-connected, which means it's constantly streaming data somewhere. Every room layout, every conversation it overhears, every pattern in your daily routine. The company says this enables continuous learning and remote support, which brings us to the truly bizarre part. When NEO encounters something it can't handle, a human operator can remotely pilot the robot through VR. You're essentially paying 20 grand for a robot that sometimes needs a guy in a headset to take over like some twisted version of remote tech support. It's teleoperation meets customer service, and the implications are wild. Can't cook yet due to fire safety concerns. Can't drive. Limited battery life means it needs to recharge every few hours. These aren't minor limitations. The early access package is priced at $20,000 and includes a comprehensive set of premium benefits. Customers receive ownership with a 3-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. 1X is also offering a rent-to-own model at $500 per month. That's the play. Get these robots into homes, gather training data at scale, and iterate fast. Every NEO in a household is basically a research platform feeding data back to improve the next generation. Within 5 years, we're looking at a completely different landscape. These machines will cook, they'll drive, they'll handle complex multi-step tasks without human intervention. The companies investing billions into this space aren't betting on today's capabilities. They're betting on the exponential improvement curve that AI enables. So yeah, the humanoid robot future isn't coming. It's here. Imperfect, expensive, and slightly creepy, but undeniably here. The question isn't whether these robots will transform domestic labor. The question is whether we're ready for what comes after they do. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and see you in next one.